Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn how to switch to a professional account on X, formerly known as Twitter. So you log into your Twitter account. So you could visit x.com or twitter.com. So you input your username, you could log in with your username, email or phone number, then input your password, then you sign in. Okay, so you're allowed to log in. Next, you're going to visit your profile. So you move your cursor and click on profile. Next, you click on edit profile. Okay, then you scroll down and find switch to professional. So you click on switch to professional. Next, you click on agree and continue. So you agree to the terms. Next, you add the description of your business or yourself. So when you do that, you click on next. Okay, then you select a category of your professional account on Twitter. So for this is escrow services. So we select escrow services. Okay, then we click on next. Then we select if it's a business or creator. So we went for business. So congratulations, this Twitter account or X account is now a professional account. All right. So you can visit the profile again and see how beautiful it's appearing.